The Dassault Mirage 2000 is a French multirole, single-engine fourth-generation jet fighter manufactured by Dassault Aviation. It was designed in the late 1970s as a lightweight fighter to replace the Mirage III for the French Air Force. The Mirage 2000 evolved into a multirole aircraft with several variants developed, with sales to a number of nations. It was later developed into the Mirage 2000N and 2000D Strike variants, the improved Mirage 2005 and several export variants. Over 600 aircraft were built and it has been in service with 9 nations. The origins of the Mirage 2000 could be traced back to 1965, when France and Britain agreed to develop the Anglo-French variable geometry swing-wing aircraft. 2 years later France withdrew from the project on grounds of costs, after which Britain would collaborate with West Germany and Italy to ultimately produce the Panavia Tornado. Dassault instead focused on its own variable geometry aircraft, the Dassault Mirage G experimental prototype. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.